Assalamu alaikum all friends and viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi friends, good evening and have a nice day. So now I have beautiful ideas for you. These beautiful ideas, crochet pattern, different ideas, very nice. I hope you're also enjoying my video and you're waiting my latest videos. So now I have these beautiful ideas for you. Viewers, I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you, the Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. Today's my collection is beautiful crochet pattern, different crochet pattern and different videos. Many more ideas, beautiful colors and different ideas for you in this video. So please viewers, you must watch my video till the end and like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. Different ideas for you, different colors, different style, different designing and different size. Very nice, beautiful ideas, different colors. Hopefully you like this. And please you must watch my video till the end. Like and share my video with your family, friends. Follow my channel, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. And viewers, when you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about different crochet pattern. You can see many ideas, my videos, my channel, in my channel, like crochet pattern, beautiful ideas, different crochet maxi skirts, blouses, pantaloons, caplet, handbag, table runner, bed sheet, table runner, and different crochet pattern. Most demanding and beautiful, good looking ideas, top trendy and very stylish ideas. Very nice, beautiful ideas, good looking ideas. So please like and share my video with your family, friends. Press the bell icon, good comment in comment section. Very nice, hopefully like this. Top trendy and different ideas. Very nice, beautiful, good looking ideas, super duper ideas. And please viewers, you must watch my video till the end, put comment section. And please viewers, tell me about this video. You can ask me in comment section what you want next more about crochet collection. And if you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel, the logo is front of you. Beautiful and most trendy ideas, good looking ideas, top trendy and most demanding ideas. Very nice, outstanding, different colors, different style, different size, beautiful ideas for you. Okay viewers, thanks for watching my video. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care.